What is Web 3.0? Imagine a new type of internet that not only accurately interprets what you input, but actually understands everything you convey, whether through text, voice, or other media. One where all content you consume is more tailored to you than ever before. We are at the tipping point of a new phase in the web's evolution. Some early pioneers call it Web 3.0. Arguably, there are a few early stage Web 3.0 applications that already exist today. But until the new internet becomes fully embedded in the web infrastructure, their true potential cannot be observed. Welcome back to your favourite YouTube channel, NFTs Explained. Now we will see how it works. But before that, do check our description. There we have some links of some amazing courses which will definitely help you in your crypto journey. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Definition. What is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is the upcoming third generation of the internet where websites and apps will be able to process information in a smart, human-like way through technologies like machine learning, big data, decentralized ledger technology, etc. Web 3.0 was originally called Semantic Web by World Web inventor Tim Berners-Lee and was aimed at being a more autonomous, intelligent and open internet. The Web 3.0 definition can be expanded as follows. Data will be interconnected in a decentralized way, which will be a huge leap forward to our current generation of the internet, Web 2.0, where data is mostly stored in centralized repositories. Furthermore, users and machines will be able to interact with data, but for this to happen, programs need to understand information both conceptually and contextually. With this in mind, the two cornerstones of Web 3.0 are Semantic Web and Artificial Intelligence. Web 3.0, cryptocurrency and blockchain. As Web 3.0 networks will operate through decentralized protocols, the founding blocks of blockchain and cryptocurrency technology, we can expect to see a strong convergence and symbiotic relationship between these three technologies and other fields. They will be interoperable, seamlessly integrated, automated through smart contracts, and used to power anything from microtransactions in Africa, censorship-resistant P2P data file storage, and sharing with applications like Filecoin, to completely changing with every company conduct and operate their business. The current slew of DeFi protocols are just the tip of the iceberg. Web 3.0 technologies. There are a few details that we need to keep in mind when looking into Web 3.0 tech. First of all, the concept isn't new. Jeffrey Zeldman, one of the early developers of Web 1.0 and 2.0 applications, had written a blog post putting his support behind Web 3.0 back in 2006, but talks around this topic had begun as early as 2001. Evolution of the Web 3.0 technologies. Web 3.0 will be born out of a natural evolution of older generation web tools combined with cutting-edge technologies like AI and blockchain, as well as the interconnection between users and increasing internet usage. Apparently, Internet 3.0 is an upgrade to its precursors, Web 1.0 and 2.0. Web 1.0, 1989 to 2005. Web 1.0, also called the static web, was the first and most reliable internet in the 1990s, despite only offering access to limited information, with little to no user interaction. Back in the day, creating user pages or even commenting on articles weren't a thing. Web 1.0 didn't have algorithms to sift internet pages, which made it extremely hard for users to find relevant information. Simply put, it was like a one-way highway with a narrow footpath where content creation was done by a select few and information came mostly from directories. Web 2.0, 2005 to present. The social web, or Web 2.0, made the internet a lot more interactive thanks to its enhancements in web technologies such as JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, etc., which enabled startups to build interactive web platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Wikipedia, and many more. This paved the way for both social networks and user-generated content production to flourish since data can now be distributed and shared between various platforms and applications. A set of tools in this internet era was pioneered by a number of innovators like the aforementioned Jeffrey Zeldman. Web 3.0, yet to come. Web 3.0 is the next stage of the web evolution that would make the internet more intelligent or process information with near human-like intelligence through the power of AI systems that could run smart programs to assist users. Tim Berners-Lee said that the Semantic Web is meant to automatically interface with systems, people and home devices. As such, content creation and decision-making processes will involve both humans and machines. This would enable the intelligent creation and distribution of highly tailored content straight to every internet consumer. Key features of Web 3.0. To really understand the next stage of the internet, we need to take a look at the 4 key features of Web 3.0. Ubiquity, Semantic Web, Artificial Intelligence, 3D graphics. Ubiquity. Ubiquity means being or having the capacity to be everywhere, especially at the same time. In other words, omnipresent. In that sense, Web 2.0 is already ubiquitous, since for instance, a Facebook user can instantly capture an image and share it, which then becomes ubiquitous, since it's available to anyone no matter where they are, as long as they have access to the social media platform. Web 3.0 simply takes us a step further by making the internet accessible to everyone, anywhere, at any time. At some point, internet-connected devices will no longer be concentrated on computers and smartphones like in Web 2.0, since Internet of Things technology will bring forth a plethora of new types of smart devices. Semantic Web. Semantics is the study of the relationships between words. Therefore, the Semantic Web, according to Berners-Lee, enables computers to analyze loads of data from the web, which includes content, transactions, and links between persons. In practice, how would this look? Let's take these 2 sentences for instance. 1. I love Bitcoin. 2. I heart Bitcoin. Their syntax may be different, but their semantics are pretty much the same, since semantics only deals with the meaning or emotion of the content. Applying semantics in the web would enable machines to decode meaning and emotions by analysing data. Consequently, internet users will have a better experience driven by enhanced data connectivity. Artificial intelligence. And since Web 3.0 machines can read and decipher the meaning and emotions conveyed by a set of data, it brings forth intelligent machines. Although Web 2.0 presents similar capabilities, it is still predominantly human-based, which opens up room for corrupt behaviours such as biased product reviews, rigged ratings, etc. Spatial web and 3D graphics. Some futurists call Web 3.0 the spatial web, as it aims to blur the line between the physical and the digital by revolutionising graphics technologies becoming into clear-focused 3-dimensional virtual worlds. Unlike their 2D counterparts, 3D graphics bring a new level of immersion, not only in futuristic gaming applications like Decentraland, but also other sectors like real estate, health, e-commerce, and many more. And do take note that this is not financial advice, so do your own research before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Until then, peace out.